Here at Platinum Woodworking, we build all types of cabinetry and closets. Kitchens, bathrooms, mudrooms, utility rooms. So in our shop, we got a top-of-the-line CNC. We use that to just get precision in everything we build. Along with all of our other equipment in the shop, it just helps us keep that quality consistent every single time. We have been in business since 2011. We service Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and Northern Connecticut. Dedication to quality. It's on the back of our shirts. That's what we live by.